have discussed that sine theta and cos theta are periodic functions, each with period 2 pi. So based on that, we have discussed sine of 2n pi plus theta equals to sine theta, where n belongs to integers, and cos of 2n pi plus theta equals to cos theta, where n belongs to integers. Then similarly, sec theta and cosec theta are periodic, each with period 2 pi. So we can write cosec of 2n pi plus theta equals to cosec theta, where n belongs to integers, and sec of 2n pi plus theta equals to sec theta, where n belongs to integers. But in tan theta and cot theta, these two are periodic, each with period pi. Means after pi, value repeats in tan theta and cot theta. So we can write it as tan of n pi plus theta equals to tan theta, where n belongs to integers, and cot of n pi plus theta equals to cot theta, where n belongs to integers. So these are important values. You have to remember it for solving questions. We'll discuss some questions based on this. Question is, find the value of cos 15 pi. So we can write it as cos 15 pi is equal to cos of 14 pi plus pi. Means we can write this 14 pi in terms of 2n pi plus 2n pi. We know that cos of 2n pi plus theta equals to cos theta. So we can write it as cos 14 pi means 2 into 7 pi. So here this is n and this is, sorry, n will be here 7. N means here 7 into 2 pi plus pi. So n is here, this is n equals to 7 and then 2 pi. So 2n pi plus pi. So we can write it as cos of pi only. And cos pi value we are knowing that is minus 1. No need of splitting it like that. For showing you all, I have splitted it. Just we have to confirm the value is in this form, periodic form or not. If it is there, so directly we can write the format. Means cos of 14 pi plus pi, we can write as cos pi according to this concept. Cos of 2n pi plus theta equals to cos theta. One more question we'll discuss. We have to find out value of sine of 16 pi. So we can write it like that, sine 16 pi plus 0. Because 16 pi means this is multiple of 2 pi. So we can write it like that, 16 pi plus 0. So finally we can write it as sine 0. And sine 0 we know that that is 0. And here we are using sine of 2n pi plus theta equals to sine theta. One more question, find the value of tan 5 pi by 4. You can see here question is little bit different. Tan of 5 pi by 4. You have to find out value of this. In rational form this is. So in these types of questions, first of all, we have to divide numerator by denominator. Then we can proceed. Means I'm not going to use here pi. Directly I'm taking only numbers. Means here I'm dividing 5 divisible by 4. So we can write it like that. So we can write it as 5 by 4 equals to 1 whole 1 by 4. Means we can write it as 1 plus 1 by 4. Now we'll include here pi. We have here 5 pi by 4. So we can write it as pi plus pi by 4. Means in place of 5 pi by 4, we can write pi plus pi by 4. Means we are splitting it so that we can set in the pattern. So I'm writing here tan of pi plus pi by 4. And we have tan of n pi plus theta equals to tan theta. So we have to use it. So here n is 1. 1 into pi. Multiple of pi it is. So we can write it as tan of pi by 4. Tan pi by 4, we know that this is 1. So this is our answer. Question is, find the value of cosec minus 1110 degree. We have to find out value of this. You can see this is in degree. So first of all, we can convert into radian form. So I'm going to write here, question is cosec minus 1110 degree. So we can write here this degree in the form of radian. So it is pi by 180 into 1110. Then whole will be in radian form. So finally we have to calculate it. After calculating, we are getting here 37 pi by 6 radian. So now we will write cosec minus 1110 degree equals to cosec minus 37 pi by 6 radian. Now we know that we have discussed that cosec of minus theta equals to minus cosec theta. So we will apply here. So we can write it as minus cosec 37 pi by 6 radian. Now here in rational form, so we'll use that. We will divide here 37 divisible by 6. So we can write it as 37 by 6 as 6 whole 1 by 6. So when we are including pi, so 37 pi by 6 equals to 6 pi plus pi by 6. So it is minus cosec 6 pi plus pi by 6. So we are using here cosec of 2n pi plus theta equals to cosec theta. Cosec 2n pi plus theta equals to cosec theta. So according to that, we can write here minus cosec pi by 6. And cosec pi by 6, we know that that is 2. So with minus, this is minus 2. So minus 2 will be the final answer.